How to fix Cash App not available in your region. Now, if you are not from the UK or the US, first of all, you cannot use Cash App because Cash App is only available for the people and users from UK, United Kingdom, and the United States. These two countries only use Cash App within themselves. But if you're from other countries, you still would like to use, first of all, keep in mind, even if you can use, you cannot make transactions just like this one I have done over here, because I'm not from the UK or the US, or might be the same in your case as well. Now, to first of all download Cash App, you can try to change your App Store region. If you're on Google Play, you can also change the Google Play Store region. For App Store region, you can tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of your App Store, and here you'll see different option. You can also go to your settings and change it. After that, even after you download Cash App, you cannot just open and use it. You might want to try using some of the VPN applications that are actually available. So not all the applications will have that available, so you can use a VPN application connected to the United Kingdom or the United States server, and then only you should be able to get on with the changes. So I hope this video pretty much helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.